What do you need to install grommets from KAMsnaps? You can find quick links to all the tools and dies needed in the Grommet product listing by clicking on the Required Tools tab. You'll need one of our professional multifunctional tools, either the KX8J Professional Handheld, the KX-T2 Professional Stand-Up Press, or the DK93 Table Press with a DK93 to KX adapter base. If you have this older DK98 KAM press model, you'll need this two-piece adapter set, the DK98 to KX adapter set. The basic K1 or K2 pliers are only able to install plastic snaps, so you won't be able to use them for any other fasteners, unfortunately. You'll need grommets and KX Grommet dies in the corresponding size. You'll also need something to punch a hole in your material for the grommets, such as our hole punching dies. I'll insert the dies into the press. I have a hole cut out of my material in the same size as the grommet. The eyelet piece slips through the hole. Then the washer is set over the eyelet. The grommet is placed between the dies. The eyelet of the grommet should slip over the nub in the bottom die. And you just press down. That's it.